Hey friends, Salina here, your LinkedIn gal. I'd like to invite you to my free LinkedIn Masterclass over at www.theinacademy.com/masterclass. You will learn how to convert your LinkedIn connection into sales, and I will show you my top 3 proven stats that will help you to build a personal brand and turn your LinkedIn profile into a revenue generating machine. All the juicy details of our agenda is here on the screen. I cannot wait to see you inside, where you will walk away with my proven strategies to build a personal brand that people wanted to follow, create content that opens heart, minds, and wallet, new method unlocked, and convert a roster of leads into credit card, hot, and ready clients. And I will be there answering all your questions you have around LinkedIn and plan out your game plan on LinkedIn with me live. This training is perfect for anyone who's just starting out or who has a decent size following but not able to sign any clients on LinkedIn. Whether you're a coach, entrepreneur, or side hustler, you are guaranteed to walk away from this masterclass with actionable strategies you can implement right away. Want to know the best part? It's absolutely free. You learn some of the most important stats I took to sign consistent clients on LinkedIn that I won't share anywhere else on my free channels. Ready to utilize the power of LinkedIn to build a high-impact personal brand, ramp up your social engagement, and turn your LinkedIn connection into customers? Take the first step, my friend. Sign up today at www.theinacademy.com/masterclass. The link is below. I can't wait to see you there.